channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Trina, and if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Today I want to share with you all a haul video of my Grove Collaborative subscription box that I have for the month of June. I want to share with you all what I ordered. Now I don't remember what I ordered from Grove Collaborative actually. So usually Grove is a monthly subscription service if you don't know, and they sell household cleaning supplies and things of that nature. And what it does is it sends you out monthly items that you use on a regular basis. So even if you don't buy and things of that nature, and what it does is it sends you out monthly items that you use on a regular basis. So even if you don't put anything in your cart, like I didn't put anything in my cart for the month of June, but Grove kind of like chooses items that you order all the time and put those together and ships it out to you. So for this month of June, I don't have no clue of what I ordered in this subscription box. They kind of just sent me out a supply of a supply of cleaning products. So I'm gonna unbox with you all and share with you all what they sent me out. So let's get started. First, everything comes packaged in a box, and I'm gonna share with you all the box here. I'm not gonna turn it around the other way because it does have my address on the top of the lid, but this is how it comes boxed, and it's very heavy, and everything is usually pretty sealed properly, taped up. Now I have had some issues where some of the items did become loose in there and then kind of spilled in the box, but for the most part the items do come pretty packaged. So most of the items do come packaged well so that they don't leak or anything like that and your stuff is not damaged. So, but this is how the box came. And so let's go ahead and get started and see what's in here. And then I'll go through the box, and then most of this stuff in here I'm quite sure I have tried already, except for maybe a few items. And if I tried it already, I'll try to give you guys my personal review of the products and things of that sort or whatever, and let you know how I like using the products. Okay, so like everything comes packaged, has tons of paper and everything, kind of make sure everything is sealed. So the first thing that they sent me in here is the 7th generation dish pods, and this is a just for your dishwasher. 7th generation dish pods for your dishwasher. It says powerful clean. This is a 12.6 ounce packet, and I believe you get 20 in here. Now I have never used the 7th generation brand of dish pod, so I can't even tell you how it works. So I am excited to try that out because I always wanted to try the 7th generation products. People say their products are really good and they work really well, and like I said, most of these things are natural cleaning products, so it doesn't harm you or your family or the environment or anything like that, so it's safe to use. So I am excited about trying this. So they did send me out a packet of the 7th generation dish soap or dish pods. Okay, then I have the Mrs. Meyers dishwasher pods, and this is in the scent, the lemon verbena. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Lemon verbena is the Mrs. Meyers scents. And this one has 20 pieces as well, and this is for your dishwasher. And actually I tried the Mrs. Meyers dishwasher pods, and they actually work really, really well. I like it. I recommend it. I just love the different scents and everything it comes in, and like I said, it doesn't cause any harm to the environment or you or your family, so they work really well. So I have used these before. So that's another item that came in there. Next item they sent me out is the walnut cellulose sponge scrubbers, and these actually work really well too. I like these because they're non-abrasive and they just work really well, and it's made from, like I said, natural ingredients and everything like that, so it doesn't harm you or the environment. So I love these little walnut scrubbers. These actually do work really well, so I like to try to stock up on these when I get a chance. So every order I usually order a packet of the scrubbers so that I'll have some on hand. Now the next item I have in here is the Mrs. Meyers dish soap, and then this is in the scent of peony, and peony is like my favorite scent. This is like a the peony scent, I believe, is a spring scent. So so usually Grove like to change up, like every season they'll have different scents out or whatever. So some of the scent, I think it may be a limited edition. I don't know if this one is a scent that they produce all the time. If you know if they produce it all the time, drop a comment down below, but I don't think it is. I think it's mainly like a seasonal type of scent. But the peony scent smells absolutely amazing. It smells like fresh peonies, and I love the dish soap, and I actually ended up ordering before the hand soap as well, and it works really good. And this is a 16 fluid ounce of dish soap, and I end up getting, they sent me out actually 3 dish soaps, I believe. Yeah, they sent me out 3 dish soaps, so that's pretty good, and they all are in the same scent, the peony scent. So I do like that. I do like their dish soaps. I like the dish soap because it's not aggressive and it's not not strong and doesn't have any chemicals in it. So I do like it, and the dish soap kind of works really good. Okay, then the next thing I end up getting is the Mrs. Meyers room fresheners, which I love these room fresheners. They smell absolutely amazing, and they work just as well as Febreze or anything like that. But like I said, these are all natural products, and it works really good. And they last they last a long time too as well. Is the ounces, 8 fluid ounces, and I like to keep these in like my bathrooms, and I like to spray my area rugs and curtains and things of that sort. So they end up sending me out the lavender scent and the room freshener, and let me see if I got any other ones in there. Okay, so I ended up getting 1 room freshener is what they sent me out. Then they sent, I found another dish soap, the peony dish soap again. So I end up having 4 dish soaps, 1 room freshener so far, and then they sent me out the walnut scrubbers, and then they sent me out the 2 packages of the dishwasher pods. That's what I got so far. Then they sent me a couple of bottles of hand soap, and then the hand soap is in the lavender. And I love the hand soap because the hand soap works really good. I love it, and it just smells like spring and summer. I love this lavender scent. This is like kind of like my go-to scent for the spring and the summer. So I love that lavender scent. I love the peony scent, and the hand soap works really well. And like I said, it comes in 12 ounces. 12.5 fluid ounces, and this lasts a long time too. I like it because it gets the job done. So the hand soaps are really, really good. And if you order, now you've probably seen these hand soaps and the dish soaps inside like Target, or I don't know if I've seen them at Walmart, but mainly like Target, stores like that. They'll usually be like more overpriced than what you would pay if you ordered it through Grove. Like the dish soaps, they'd be like $4.99 or something like that at Target, but through Grove, the dish soap runs usually about $3 and some change. Same thing with the hand soap, so you get a big discount if you get it through the Grove instead of getting it through Target or anything like that. So I got 2 hand soaps, and then they sent me out 1 multi-purpose cleaner, and this one is in the lemon verbena scent, lemon verbena scent as well. And I'll tell you, I love the multi-purpose cleaner. This stuff works good. It's good for so many different uses. I use it for my blinds, my counters, my window sills, cleaning my sinks, everything. It works really, really good, and it leaves your house smelling so fresh and clean, and I just love it, love it, love it. It works really, really well. I love the multi-purpose cleaner. I'm surprised they only sent me 1, because usually I get like maybe at least 3 of the multi-purpose cleaners, but they only sent me 1 multi-purpose cleaner, so I'm gonna have to make sure I put that on my list for next time. And then now Grove always end up sending you some free items. I think if you're a VIP member or whatever like that, they'll try to they usually send you something free in your box or whatever just for you to try out. So this time they end up sending me a hand gel sanitizer. And I don't know if y'all can read that, but this says, this is in blood orange. And actually they sent me out this before for free, and it smells really, really good. And I like to use this, I like to keep it in my purse as like a just have something in my purse just for the kids if we need some sanitizer or something like that to clean our hands quick. It works really well for that. So I mean, it's not bad to get something for free. I love free items. So, and this is in a blood orange, so it smells really, really good. It smells amazing. Then they also sent me out this Yes energizing, what is this? This is Yes to coconut hydrating face, what is this? This is a face cleanser. So they sent me out this, and I never tried this before, so I'll see if I can. I'll probably give this a try and see how it does. But it just comes in, like, it looks like it's in a stick form, if y'all can kind of see that. And it just says it's an energizing coffee 2-in-1 scrub and cleaner stick is what it is. And it says yes to packing a one-time hydrating cleansing punch with coconut and coffee in one easy step. So that'd be something interesting to try. So those are the 2 items that they sent me out for free in there as well. And it's just kind of telling you about other little products that they have and that they have out for the summer and things of that nature. And that is it, you guys. So most of the stuff for me, since I really didn't place this order, like I said, it is a monthly subscription service. So if you don't put anything in your cart, or if you don't physically order anything for that month or whatever, they still will ship you out items that you typically use on a regular basis. So this time, like I said, I didn't physically put anything in my cart, but Grove ended up sending me out things that they thought that I would like based off of my shopping experience with them, if that makes any sense. But you can cancel the subscriptions, you can put it on hold, so you don't, you know, if you're not able to pay monthly or whatever, you can't put your account on hold, or, you know, things of that sort if you're not ready to order at a particular time. But I think it's really good. I've been using it now for like maybe a year, and I haven't had any issues with it. Customer service is always good, and the products work really, really well. So I like trying new natural products, the stuff that's not gonna harm me and my family. So I do like their products, especially their multi-purpose cleaner, their dish soap, and their hand soap. That's typically what I usually order from them. The dish pods I order sometimes, but most of the times, I mean, I'll try to stick to just those same items that I always order. But yeah, so. And this video is not a sponsored video. I just thought that I will do an unboxing and share with you all some of my cleaning products that I buy on a regular basis, you know, from Grove Collaborator. I also end up getting some stuff from Dollar Tree and things of that sort or whatever. So if you want to see another video of what I buy from Dollar Tree or anything like that, as far as cleaning products, drop a comment in the comment below, and I'll share that video with you guys as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that red subscribe button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.